Frozen shoulder often starts with persistent pain, limiting your daily activities. Reduced mobility is another sign, making simple tasks a challenge. Adhesions and inflammation can lead to the tightening of the shoulder capsule, causing frozen shoulder. At Core Concepts Physiotherapy, we specialize in treating frozen shoulder. Our expert physiotherapists conduct a thorough assessment to understand your unique condition. We tailor personalized treatment plans to relieve pain and restore shoulder mobility. Our goal is to help you regain full shoulder function so you can get back to living your life fully. Don't let frozen shoulder limit you. Contact Core Concepts Physiotherapy today. Visit www.coreconceptsphysio.sg for more information.